Welcome to the Elon Daily News. This podcast is created by Generative AI. Today is 11 October 2024. We'll be diving into the latest buzz surrounding Elon Musk, Tesla, SpaceX, and Neuralink. As always, links to all stories can be found in the episode notes. Please note that the content does not represent our opinions and is just a reflection of news items in public media. Elon Musk has unveiled Tesla's latest innovation, the Cybercab, a futuristic robotaxi designed to operate without a steering wheel or pedals. Priced under $30,000, this vehicle aims to make autonomous transportation more accessible. Musk showcased the Cybercab at the We Robot event in California, emphasizing its potential to reduce transportation costs significantly. The Cybercab is expected to enter production by 2026, with plans to roll out fully autonomous driving in Texas and California next year. However, the vehicle's reliance on a camera-only system has raised safety concerns, as Tesla's approach differs from competitors like Waymo, which use a broader range of sensors. Musk's vision extends beyond the Cybercab, with plans for the Optimus robot and a new autonomous van called the Robovan. Despite the ambitious plans, Tesla faces challenges, including regulatory approval and competition from companies like Waymo, which have already made strides in the autonomous vehicle space. Tesla's market valuation remains strong, reflecting investor optimism, but the company must address software improvements and infrastructure needs for a successful robotaxi service. The Cybercab's unveiling comes at a critical time, with Tesla facing scrutiny over its self-driving claims and the need to deliver on Musk's promises. The event also highlighted Tesla's broader strategy to expand its electric vehicle offerings and enhance self-driving technology. While the Cybercab has generated significant media attention, questions remain about the feasibility of Tesla's production timeline and technological advancements. That's all for today's episode of the Elon Daily News. Thank you for tuning in. Be sure to check the episode notes for links to all the stories we've covered. Join us next time for more updates on Elon Musk and his ventures. Until then, stay curious and keep exploring the future.